my name is Kate Vodicka, and tonight I'm going to be talking about faculty well-being in a changing landscape and the research project that I did this semester to help me learn a little bit more about employee well-being and how that impacts those in the workforce. So to begin, for the design and methodology, an open-ended survey was developed to ascertain certain factors that impact employee well-being. Two open-ended surveys were developed and administered. The first was specific to my intended participants. The second was a little bit more generalized to be applicable across various industries. To start my data analysis, I first used descriptive coding using insights gained from Microsoft Forms. I then exported my data to Atlas TI for another review of descriptive codes. Once I saw themes beginning to emerge, I looked at all responses by question to begin to determine the larger themes to generate my findings. My survey looked at the following areas: job satisfaction, sources of workplace well-being, workplace stressors, and stress management. Survey responses emphasize the importance of approachable leaders who set a positive tone for organizational culture. So for the first key finding there, leadership and communication was the largest thing that emerged from my data. Participants valued leaders who were accessible and demonstrated fair treatment of all staff members. Another thing that was noted in the data that emerged was that transparency and proactive information sharing were identified as crucial elements of workplace satisfaction. When communication broke down or appeared inconsistent, survey respondents said that employee engagement suffered significantly. Strong leadership practices were shown to foster trust and alignment throughout the organization. Participants reported higher satisfaction when leadership communication was consistent and equitable. The next findings that I found were related to recognition and appreciation. So participants consistently highlighted the motivational power of recognition. One respondent noted, "It's most rewarding when stakeholders compliment the work I do." Both formal and informal acknowledgement boosted morale and reinforced positive behaviors. Making a difference emerged as a powerful motivator, with respondents feeling more engaged when they could see the positive impact on others. Recognition served as validation of their contributions and the values of those contributions. The next theme that emerged was related to work-life balance. So maintaining healthy boundaries between work and personal life was a significant challenge. Stressors included excessive workloads, tight deadlines, misaligned responsibilities, and expectations to work beyond regular hours. Participants directly connected poor work-life balance to decreased mental health, reduced productivity, and lower workplace satisfaction. Organizations supporting clear boundaries were perceived more positively. And then finally, the last one that emerged for this particular slide was related to professional development and growth. So our survey respondents valued opportunities for professional advancement through leadership development, specialized training, and new challenges aligned with career goals. One participant stated, "I find great satisfaction in continuous learning and growth." Investing in employee growth enhanced individual performance and increased a sense of purpose. Participants specifically requested more opportunities for professional development as a way to improve workplace satisfaction. The last of my key findings was related to stressors related to workload and resources. So heavy workload, limited resources, and role ambiguity emerge as significant sources of stress amongst my participants. Classmates reported managing tight deadlines while juggling multiple tasks and taking on roles that they were not trained for. So I had the 5 main areas there that I talked about, but I also wanted to highlight there were 2 areas that came up that I think will be something worth considering for further study, and they were worth notating. So the respondents of my survey did express anxiety about the current political climate and threats to programmatic funding. These external factors created significant stress about job security and the future of their industries, particularly in higher education, where diversity programs face scrutiny. Participants also shared a desire for better access to mental health support and workplace initiatives promoting well-being. And that's the data that came forward from my survey in class this semester. It's been great learning with all of you. I wish you well in your future studies, and I look forward to continuing this topic. Thank you.